Today, I'll walk you through how to copy formulas down an entire column automatically in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your formulas so you can save time and streamline your data entry process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome. Simply click on the Chrome icon to launch the browser. This is your gateway to Google Sheets. Next, locate the Google Apps icon in the upper right corner of your screen. It looks like a grid of dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can access all Google services, including Sheets. Now click on the Sheets icon. This will take you to Google Sheets, where you can create new spreadsheets or access existing ones. Think of it as opening a blank canvas for your data. Once you're in Google Sheets, you can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on the blank spreadsheet option. If you have a specific file in mind, just navigate to it and open it. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps remain the same. Now let's set up your columns. For this example, we'll say that item 1 is in column A and item 2 is in column B. We want the sum of these two items to appear in column C. To do this, click on the first cell in column C where you want the sum to appear. This is where the magic begins. Enter the formula, equals sign A2 colon A plus sign B2 colon B, and then close the parenthesis. It should look like this, equals sign ARRAYFORMULA open parenthesis A2 A plus B2 B close parenthesis. This formula allows you to automatically calculate the sum for all rows in the column. It's like having a personal assistant doing the math for you. Once you've entered the formula, press the Enter key. You'll notice that new rows will be calculated automatically because A2, A and B2, B are open-ended ranges. This means that as you add more data, your sums will update without any extra effort on your part. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to copy formulas down an entire column automatically in Google Sheets. This method not only saves you time, but also ensures accuracy in your calculations. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.